Hello and welcome to Schoolhouse by the Sea. I'm Miss Sylvia, and this spelling activity is called Form It. For this activity, you're going to need a spelling list. Here's our example list. Your list should be one your teacher gave you or one that you have made for yourself. As long as every word is spelled correctly, it's all good. Now, for this activity, you've got options. Lots of people enjoy using Play-Doh. You might have some at home. This is a great thing to use to form your letters. But I really like cookies. And so I decided to do Form It with some cookie dough. This is the simplest and healthiest cookie dough that I can think of. This is just 2 mashed bananas, 1 cup of oats, and a little bit of vanilla with a tiny sprinkling of salt. You can cook this for 10 minutes at 375 degrees in the oven, and it'll make some really lovely, very healthy cookies that you can form into letters. Let me show you what I mean. So for my spelling list, which I'm going to move just out of the way, I know my first word is dog, D-O-G, dog. And with very clean hands that I just washed, I'm going to roll my dough to start to make each of my letters. Because when I eat a cookie, I want it to be a spelling list cookie. D, I've got my dog cookies done. Let's start on cat. When your words are formed, you can put them into the oven. Again, that's at 375 degrees. And when it's all done, you can have your words and eat them too. Enjoy the spelling activity.